it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel Moni the Book Girl, where I talk about lot of different books. But today's video is gonna be a very different video from the videos I usually do. Yes guys, it's not a book related video because today I'm gonna talk about another healthy habit that I acquired few years back besides reading, that is journaling. I'm sure you guys must have heard about journaling and maybe most of you already had this habit, but if not, then do stick till the end of this video because this video will gonna be a very useful video for you. Now, what is journaling and what are its benefits? Everything I'm gonna tell you in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So journaling is a practice or act of writing a journal or a diary in order to express your thoughts. So it's basically a written record of your emotions. If I have to explain what's journaling in a simple language, then I'll say कि बचपन में या अपने टीनेज में हम लोग एक डायरी बनाया करते थे जिसमें हम डेली अपने ड्रीम्स, दोस्तों के बारे में या अपनी फैंटेसीज़ या अपनी सेलिब्रिटी क्रश के बारे में लिखा करते थे, जिसे हम अपनी पर्सनल डायरी कहते थे और किसी को उसे पढ़ने नहीं देते थे सिवाय अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के। तो बस वही है जर्नलिंग, जो आज हम नहीं करते हैं ये सोच कर कि वो एक बचपन की चीज़ थी, बिकॉज पीपल डोंट नो exactly what are the benefits of doing journaling. So guys, journaling is a best method to express your feelings, emotions and thoughts without being judged by anyone. It helps us to create a meaningful connections with ourselves and we are able to understand ourselves in a much better way through journaling. हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारी बातें और इंसिडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हम हर किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं कर पाते हैं या हम करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं, पर वो बातें कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में रहती है और हमें बार बार परेशान करती हैं, आकर डिस्टर्ब करती हैं, जिनकी वजह से हम अपने काम पर फोकस नहीं कर पाते हैं. For those things, you just need to grab a pen and paper and just write down whatever the mess going in your head at that particular moment. It will surely make you feel more relaxed, calm and good from inside. If I share my experience of doing journaling, तो मैं बचपन में जर्नल्स लिखती थी, जैसा कि आपको बताया मैंने, मैं पर्सनल डायरी टाइप लिखते थे हम बचपन में, तो बस मैं वही सब लिखती थी. बट उसके बाद कुछ साल तक मैंने बिल्कुल जर्नलिंग नहीं की है. बट अभी कुछ एक आध साल से मैं वापस जर्नल्स लिखने लगी हूँ एंड दे हेल्प मी समवेयर अ लॉट in order to understand myself in a proper way, and they help me to put everything on a paper in front of me, and it makes things easy for me to deal with everything. Journals are so personal. They belongs to you and you only. So write whatever you want. Let the words move freely without worrying about mistakes and structure. Now I would like to share a few benefits of journaling. First, improve writing skills. By journaling regularly helps you to develop your writing skills and it makes you a more creative writer. Second, clear your mind. Journaling actually clear your mind and helps you to identify what's really bothering you. Third, reduce stress and manage anxiety. Journaling helps you to reduce stress, symptoms of depression and manages your anxiety. Fourth, make you organized. When you write everything, it helps you to prioritize your problems and fear and makes your thoughts more organized while dealing with problems. Fifth, self-reflect. Journaling allows us to self-reflect and enhance our sense of well-being. Journaling will be most effective if you do it regularly for about 15 minutes. If you really want to start journaling, here are a few tips for you. Firstly, encourage yourself to write down in your journals regularly. Set aside a fixed time, whatever suits you, either early in the morning or before bed. whatever works best for you, but make it simple. Keep your journal handy so that you can jot down your thoughts whenever you want, and you can do it digitally also if you want to. So guys, that's all about journaling. I hope through this video somewhere I encouraged you to start journaling, and if you already do this, then please tell me in the comment section. So guys, that's it for today. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe my channel Moni the Book Girl. And if you like what I shared today in this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I'll be back next week with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep reading.